Hey you guys, thank you for tuning into another video. So today, as you can see, I did a little bit of a different setup. To give it a thumbs up if you guys like this setup. Today we're going to be doing something that I really enjoy doing, and that is doing an unboxing of new inventory. As you guys know, the seasons is changing, or it has already changed by the time this video has posted, but it is getting ready to be one of my favorite seasons, and that is fall. I love fall. Fall means layering, jackets, boots, coats. That is my dryer. There we go. Sorry about that. So yeah, and I absolutely love fall for that reason. And so if you don't know, I do have an online boutique called House of Inspo. The website is down below if you want to check it out. But I do like to come on here and help you guys, or show you guys my journey, and part of that is getting new inventory, which is one of my favorite parts of the business, is shopping and getting new inventory. It's kind of like Christmas for me. So we're going to actually do an unboxing on camera. Some of the things I did unbox because I was just like really eager to see how they turned out, because I ordered from a new vendor and I was like, I just need to know off the bat before if I need to return it. So jump right into it. So the first piece I'm gonna show you, I'm just gonna jump right out the gate and give you guys one of my favorite pieces that I was able to open. Now this is definitely different for me for fall. I went a little bit more outside of what I personally would like. I started thinking about the consumer, which is something that I'm learning throughout my business. When I shop and do inventory, it's not to think how I want it, but how I think my consumer, or what my target audience would actually like, opposed to what Sharonte likes. Because if it was up to me, y'all be having black, gray, white, and neutrals, but that's just me and my aesthetic. I'm slowly getting out of that and really enjoying color. So a lot of these pieces that you see have color in them, you guys. I think every piece I've bought has color. Came in this pack here, and as you can, we have this beauty here, and the sun is picking this up beautifully. She is super cute, definitely giving birthday vibes. My birthday is in a couple days, or no, it's a week from today. My birthday is 1 week from today. I'm going out of town in a couple days, so I'm definitely thinking about adding this piece to my birthday outfit. But isn't she super cute? Look how fluffy the feathers look, which is the reason why I opened it, because I was like, please don't be like, you know how you get feathers or fur and it's like really thin and cheap looking, and I was very nervous that it was going to be like really thin feathers and not full. Because if we're going to do feathers, baby, we're going to do feathers, and it gives very much of a luxe look. So I absolutely adore this. This looks super cute on. Yeah, this is really cute. I love this piece. And then from the same vendor, picked up this jacket. This is definitely something different for my boutique, but we're going to see how it goes. So this is how it looks. It's super dope. It's a half like blazer type khaki material with the detailing, and then it goes into half of a like denim jacket. It does have shoulder pads in there, very light shoulder pads, but it also goes into that, and then the back kind of merges them together. So I thought this would be a really dope piece. Like I said, it's something I haven't seen anywhere, and that's one of the reasons why I liked it. And the way the model had it on the website, it looked really good. Okay, so I got the box open. You guys, it is a ton of stuff. Let me see if I can pick it up. It is a ton of stuff in there. Again, we are definitely focusing on colors. Now, honestly, I seen another boutique have this sweater, and I was like, I need this for my boutique. And it definitely goes along with my target audience. And this is what it looks like. This vendor, it comes from Hera. This is who it's from. And this is a really cute, chunky sweater, which I don't have too much of this in my boutique now. And I think it's going to be really good. It is like this, not canary, this is a color, chartreuse, I think is the color, the proper name. It's like a chartreuse color, and it's this really nice material. This is the sweater material, really nice. This is the sleeve details. That's what it looks like. It's kind of like a crop, but not like super cropped sweater, but this is really cute with the bubble sweater, the bubble sleeves. This up. And then, as we go a little further and dig a little deeper, we have some more colors. So here's my invoices. Always keep your invoices. I always keep them. Then we're going to this beautiful purple color. This is what it looks like. So yeah, we are definitely all about the chunky knits this fall, the colorful chunky knits. Now this is definitely different, which I'm excited about. Just the color is, I love it. And this is what she looks like. Oh, y'all, I can't even begin to show you. First of all, it has these like rolled sleeve. It's super chunky, which I love. And then it has like this detail at the bottom, but super long, has a belt. I'm about to try it on. What size is this? I didn't even check the size. Oh, it's a medium. So I usually don't like opening all the sizes. I usually open up either a small or a medium, depending on the item, because that's what my models wear. And usually I only like to open like one, maybe two of the item, and then the rest goes straight into inventory or go straight into the warehouse to be processed, because I don't like refolding everything. I like that professional look, and I'm not the best folder, so usually I like to just slide it. Ooh, oh, you guys, and it's long. Oh, y'all don't know how much of this. And it's literally touching the floor. I wish I could like show y'all more, but again, you have to follow me on my social media. It's all dropped down below if you guys want to see more of like how I style it and how it's gonna look on the models. That should be up within the next. That sweater was really, really cute, but you know, I didn't go with just one color on that sweater because I kind of had a feeling that that was gonna be a hitter, and so I picked up a different color, y'all. Let me dig it out. Oh, we got it in pink, and this is the pink. So the pink, I'm gonna actually just pull it out on a small because I'm gonna have a model wear it, and I already know what the purple looks like. So I'm gonna pull it out. And this is the pink color, so vibrant, so pretty, chunky. So cute. Looks exactly the same but in pink. So we're gonna go ahead and put that up as well. So you see what I'm saying, you guys? I went full color this year here for fall. I did color last year for fall, but it wasn't as vibrant as it is now. I think with me going to New York and really being like in New York and feeling free, I don't know, I feel so creative. I'm so free in New York. I don't know what it is. I need to move there, but it's too cold and expensive. But being there in New York Fashion Week, it really just helped me to get back to what I know and what I like and what I know will sell, and really focusing on re-loving my brand. I think we have more stuff. All right, so for the next one, it is another vendor that I opened. This one's gonna be coming from 𝗪𝘁. If you're not familiar with them, you can go find them on Fashion Go and LA Showroom. The pieces are a little bit more expensive, but they are definitely unique pieces and great quality. This up, goes. So this is how it came in the packaging, and again, this is the vendor if you guys are curious, because I know somebody's gonna ask me. And you pull it out, you guys, it's a two-piece set, which my girls say they love two-piece sets. I've been doing surveys and stuff like that on Instagram. It comes in this really colorful, again because we're doing color, two-piece sweater skirt set. So this is the top. Really great material. That's what it looks like. Super cute. Even the details of the buttons have like a little houndstooth on them. But it's this little cropped sweater, and you guys, it comes with this super cute little skirt that comes with it. And when you see this together, baby, this is a look. Now these pieces are not out yet. As of September, what's today? September 19th, they are not out. These will probably be out next month because I still have to do photo shoots, and I am not going down to Phoenix, or my photographer and models and stuff aren't available till next month. So it is a little prolonged, but I did want to come on here and at least show you guys the process of how we do it, and I'll show you guys like the photo shoot and everything, and how we get to the final shot and how I get it to the website. So this next thing we're gonna do, I'm probably gonna take a TikTok, so you guys will have to see me taking a TikTok of me opening it. Which I was looking, and I really wanted to get some more separates for my business, which I realized, like, as I was going through my website, I was like, I have so many dresses and sets that I don't have separates. So I've been looking for some really cute separates. This is it is black denim. So it is in this trend of kind of like the cross front. I don't know if you guys have been seeing this trend. And these are super cute, you guys. So this is what they look like. It's kind of that black faded denim, but look at how they exaggerate. So this is what it looks like. These are so cute, and I love the detail of here. So I got a t-shirt that I bought a long time ago. I never launched it on my website because I bought some shirts, so I'm gonna pair that with the shirts. But isn't this cute and different? So I'm definitely about to try these on, you guys. Move right along. I have these big boxes, which I'm going to open. So I bought them in 3 different colors because, again, they did do really, really good last year for me. So I knew I need to pick up at least 3 different options because that's what I did last year. So the first one I got is in this pretty blue color. So I'm gonna show you guys. They're this from Zenana. So if y'all know, like, everybody knows where to go for Zenana if you want the comfy loungewear. So it's really no surprise for that. But this one I did the cropped sweaters. So this is super soft, first of all, super comfy. But this is the first color that I got, this really pretty blue color. These sweatpants are amazing. They're super soft on the inside, really cute. And then this is what the top looks like, this really nice, cute cropped set. And I like it because, again, it's not like a super short crop, so you could pull it down, I'm sure, and pull these up and not have much skin showing. But this is the first color that I got. You guys, what it looks like on the hangers. So that's what it looks like. Really nice band, nice material, super soft. So we got that color. Color is a pretty mauve color, so it looks like in the packaging. And this is what the color looks like. Really, really, really pretty. Oh no, see, this is why I keep it. Like, when I don't like to mess up the folding. So like the other ones that are not open, I'm literally gonna take them out the pack and slide them right, tag them and then slide them right into the bag. Concept, the crop sweater, just this really pretty mauve color, which is nice against the blue. So we're gonna hang these up. Girls who are neutrals like me, I got this really nice like tan color. A nice like toffee, I guess, kind of color. This is what it looks like. It's kind of faded on camera, but it doesn't show the true color of this one on camera. Let me pull it back. It's kind of like a toffee kind of color. But okay, you guys, so that is going to be the end of this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the new arrivals that I have coming in. Now I do have a few more that are coming in. They haven't came yet, and there's still a few things that I want to go pick up, and I'm actually going to LA in October sometime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up to let me know you guys like these type of videos, and I'll definitely continue to do them. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave them down below, and if not, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.